Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to add contact from the cell order screen. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here our module Dev Contact Person on Cell. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to cells, go to anyone and see here is contact. Now add this Gemini furniture. Let's say and see here also display in list view and using this contact filter you can easily see here that which for add contact, and when you print this order then also display contact. Now display here contact name in your printed PDF report. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.